All of us know that a diet low in sodium, which contains foods rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium, can lower high blood pressure levels. But what foods exactly have a positive influence on reducing blood pressure? In today's video of parshealthhtv, we are going to be sharing with you 10 foods that have been confirmed to be useful in lowering blood pressure levels. Keep watching. Number 10. Banana. According to the American Cardiovascular Association, potassium decreases the impact of sodium in the blood. It lowers the pressure on the walls of blood vessels. Therefore, potassium intake lessens the risk of high blood pressure. Bananas include a lot of potassium, and one banana contains about 422 milligrams of potassium. Therefore, daily consumption of a medium banana plays an essential role in controlling blood pressure. Adults who want to avoid high blood pressure should ingest 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily. But keep in mind that bananas are high in calories. Although bananas are very nutritious, one banana will be enough for you if you want to control your weight. Number 9. Low-fat dairy. After analyzing several studies published in the Journal of Hypertension, Australian researchers concluded that there is a direct link between consuming low-fat dairy products and reducing the risk of developing high blood pressure. This was more common in low-fat milk and yogurt than in cheese. Although calcium plays a major role in lowering blood pressure, other components in dairy called peptides have a more important effect on lowering blood pressure. It is not yet known why high-fat dairy can effectively lower blood pressure. Still, it may be due to unsaturated fats in this type of dairy. In general, people who consume low-fat dairy products have better overall health. Number 8. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the fruits that play an essential role in lowering blood pressure. Pomegranate is famous for being rich in high antioxidant levels. These antioxidants in pomegranate can control blood pressure. Therefore, daily consumption of a pomegranate or a glass of juice effectively controls blood pressure. To consume pomegranate juice, it is better to prepare it at home naturally to be sure that it contains these amounts of antioxidants. Avoid buying packaged pomegranate juice because the quality of packaged pomegranate juice is not good. These types of juices are mostly high in sugar and calories. Number 7. Olive oil. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Blood Pressure examined the role of olive oil in the blood pressure of young women with moderate to high blood pressure. Over 4 months of examination, Spanish researchers studied a diet high in polyphenols due to olive oil and other diets that were free of polyphenols and compared the effects of each on blood pressure. The results showed that olive oil, which is rich in polyphenols, lowers both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, especially in women suffering from high blood pressure. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, phenolic compounds, and anti-inflammatory substances. It can eliminate all the damage caused by high blood pressure. Research has shown that regular consumption of green tea can reduce the risk of high blood pressure by up to 50%. Drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea a day is allowed, but overconsumption may cause some problems for you. If you like the video, give a thumbs up button. And never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, although small in size, are of great importance regarding nutritional value. According to a nutritionist, pumpkin seeds are a compact source of vital substances for lowering blood pressure. Pumpkin seeds contain magnesium, potassium, and an important amino acid called arginine. Arginine helps to relax blood vessels by producing nitric oxide, thereby lowering blood pressure levels. It is not bad to know that many researchers have proven the effect of pumpkin seed oil on lowering blood pressure. During the experiment, 23 women consumed 3 grams of this oil a day for 6 weeks. In the end, all of them showed a significant reduction in blood pressure levels. Pumpkin seed is high in many vitamins, such as vitamin E. This vitamin is a great help to your cardiovascular system and aids it in functioning properly. Number 4. Beetroot. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in Australia examined the effect of beetroot on blood pressure in healthy men and women. Participants in the experiment were either given a mixture of beetroot and apple juice or pure beetroot juice. Their blood pressure was checked 24 hours a day. The results showed that blood pressure drops 6 hours after drinking beetroot juice, especially in men. The reason why is that beetroot naturally contains nitrate, which lowers blood pressure. Number 3. Celery. Celery is one of the most widely used vegetables that effectively regulate blood pressure levels. Nutritionists believe that the reason for this effect is the presence of a compound called phthalic in celery, which helps reduce swelling and relax blood vessels. It is interesting to know that based on the results of various experiments, unlike carrots, celery, if eaten cooked, will have a greater effect on lowering blood pressure levels. Number 2. Pistachios. A study published in the Journal of Blood Pressure examined the relationship between pistachios and blood pressure. Participants with high LDL, called bad cholesterol, ate 1 or 2 servings of pistachios a day for 4 weeks. The result was that people who ate 2 servings of pistachios had lower blood pressure than those who ate 1. The cause is not yet known. Perhaps the pistachio effectively reduces the contraction of the arteries around the heart. Number 1. Roselle tea. The effects of drinking 3 cups of roselle tea over 6 weeks in people with high blood pressure have proven that roselle tea can effectively reduce high blood pressure levels. The results show that systolic and diastolic blood pressure has decreased, especially in people with initially high systolic blood pressure. Roselle tea is rich in antioxidants such as phenols and anthocyanins, which are probably the reason for its effect on high blood pressure. How do we know we have high blood pressure? You must have heard that high blood pressure is also named the silent killer, because it has no substantial signs. In reality, 1 in 5 individuals is unaware of it. If left untreated, the disease can gradually damage the heart, lungs, blood vessels, brain, and kidneys inside the body. Finally, it may cause a stroke. As 1 in 4 people is likely to have high blood pressure, regular blood pressure measurement at least once every 6 months is recommended for everyone. Generally speaking, the following signs sometimes directly and sometimes indirectly show high blood pressure: headache, irregular heartbeat, dizziness, fatigue, lethargy, decreased eyesight or blurring vision, weakening of the eye, chest pain, severe shortness of breath, observing blood inside the nose or urine, numbness of the hands and feet, nausea and vomiting. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.